Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Paneer Pineapple Bhurji. For this we need paneer, pineapple, add spring onion, coriander leaf, onion, chopped tomato, garlic, ginger, curry leaf, chopped green chili, salt and garam masala. So in a pan take 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, add half a teaspoon of grated ginger, mix it, cook it for half a minute, add curry leaf and chopped green chili. Now add 1 small size sliced onion, mix it, cook till onion is transparent. Now add 1 chopped tomato, add salt, garam masala, mix it well. Now add 250 grams of paneer, mix it and cook it for 1 minute. Add spring onion, mix it again. Now chop the pineapple around 50 grams, mix it well, garnish it with coriander leaf, mix it again, and your very different, very delicious Paneer Pineapple Bhurji is ready. Thank you.